talk to us about the public interest that is clearly showing itself in this particular case. We understand that a bus has also arrived there ferrying members of the public.
Well, the security here at the Lenasia Magistrates Court is having a bit of trouble in terms of maintaining the peace as well as the numbers that they need required inside the court. A lot of people inside the court have entered and are standing in the corridors, but also just crowds outside this place. Even people who are just passing by are now joining in as soon as they hear what this case is for, which is the 7 murder that were found in Vlakfontein, that family. But a lot of people really saying that they are coming out in their numbers to ensure particularly that there is no bail for these people who have, who are responsible for these murders. But a few moments ago, in fact, I saw a bus bringing in more people into this area, as well as taxis that are just dropping people here. It seems that it is not an organized thing, but a lot of public interest really prompting a lot of people to come as individuals and meet here, but also a group that has lobbied itself from the Vlakfontein community, has lobbied itself, and they have come here to join us. And those visuals really, as I move out of shot, Makala will show you. These are the people that are really interested in the case, and a lot of, in fact, messages on those placards saying that we do not want bail, and some of them even calling for harsher sentences, such as the hanging of those that are involved in this. This, of course, is particularly because of the fact that, there has been a lot of uproar, there's been a lot of, anger, reflected from the community members, saying that this is really a out of the ordinary case, and those people singing right now and saying they'll continue to sing outside court until this case concludes. They have moved into the streets but have come back, but they are saying they're going to remain here until, of course, that those two appear in court. We understand that there are a bit of delays. The magistrates received the docket today, but there will be proceedings. But strong message is coming, particularly also on the other hand, there you will see that there are people who are even holding underwears that belonging to women, saying that this is a message they're sending to those that are practicing femicide, saying that all of those people that act in an abusive manner towards women and children really need to be treated in the most harshest way in terms of the law.
Well, Lindo, as you say, lots of public interest on this particular story and this particular case of 7 members of one family being murdered in such a gruesome manner. Lindo, let's give you a chance to actually talk to members of the public. Let's hear what it is that they have to say about why they're so angered by what occurred in Lenasia last week.
All right, Spoli, forgive us for those visuals as we now go handheld, but going inside the community. I'll try to speak to the leaders first. Baba, thanks so much for speaking to us. But just take us through, firstly, your name, and then just take us through why you are outside court today.
My name is Isaac Mhlongo. I'm from the community of Vlakfontein. I think you have heard about this incident. The community is very angry, but we also want to thank the police that at least within a week, the perpetrators were arrested. But we're here to make sure that the justice system does not grant these dogs, these pigs, bail, you see. So as Umpagati, we're here to say those people must rot in jail, especially after this brutal murder of innocent people. Yes.
And what is it that you are looking to now implement in your community in terms of making sure that this is a safe place, especially particularly against all of the femicide that you are seeing rising in today's day and age?
No, it's clear to us we need to work with the community structures, work with law enforcement agencies, work with community policing forums to make sure that we sensitize our community, also educate them about the crimes which are taking place within our communities.
Right, we will speak a bit later and just speak on that. But let us try to go to Abo Mama here to get a sense of what is happening. Mom, I've seen you arriving very early today. But why are you here today?
I'm here because I see yesterday that 7 labantwana bebekhona ngizengafeyitizolo ngifeyitisa ukuthi ngibone isihlungu babulewa labantwana barejo bakhisha namathumbu ngapha emaceleni so bengilapha eDurban izolo ngizengawa ngalela lesibhedlela sasemsinga uyazwisisa ibhlungu lento lo mntwana yenzele and emncane na 24 years mncane and siphuma nalendlini ababiza meke babiza ukuthi surprise meke thi surprise mawungena ukujova ngasamething meke qeda ukujova uyabakhipha igazi meke qeda uyenza ento lomuntu ngathi uyisatanism uphuza igazi labantu.
All right, Mama Sizokhuluma, a lot of speculations around exactly what happened, but I just wanted to show you again the strong messages that are really coming as Matlala shows you, Joe Matlala, my camera person, showing you all of those. I don't know if we can just get a sense from one of the ladies again to give us a sense of what do they want moving forward. Ma'am Sizokhuluma now, just what do you want to happen today to the perpetrators? Khuluma ngesizulu.
Mina ngifile ngombali ngoba ombali njengoba bekade bese Vlakfontein umbali bekusiswami kuumngane nami kuyikho konke kimi umbali kuze bese Vlakfontein mina ngamtholela indawo ngimsusa eBeria sasihlala sonke ngibhlungu befe ngalendlela abafe ngayo singabe sisezwa kancane beze befe bonke bepele ngoba kube mhlambe sazula abanye sakhona ukubasindisa.
Umama umbali ube umuntu onjani nomndeni wakhe nje emphakathini?
Umbali kakhoza nje bebe umndeni olungile bonke angikhumbuli since ngahlala nombali ombali nje angikhumbuli benodlame umbali ube usizo emphakathini umbali ubengazwani nento ebuhlungu ukuthi nje lento akahambe ngendlela lehamba akahambe ngayo ngihlukumezekile kakhulu emoyeni wami.
Some of the people that were working closely with, or rather were living closely with the family that has passed on. But a lot of people speculating on exactly what had happened. Of course, confirmations of what happened to these 7 people will be confirmed by the police as well as the court proceedings. A lot of police not saying much at this stage, but we understand that when this case unravels, we will find out exactly what is happening. But, you know, that lady just saying right now that this was a family that was, you know, hand in hand with the community and making sure that they are fine, that anything that happens to the community, they support the community. And in fact, saying that she is the one that was, helping Mbali, one of the ladies that had passed on in finding this place in Vlakfontein, and to find this happening to them now is a very painful thing to hear. But we will be giving you more of the responses from the community and the messages from the community on what will be transpiring today.
All right, Lindokuhle Xulu, thank you very much for that update, and of course speaking to just some of the members of the community who are very, very angry